Hello YouTube. This is a quick tutorial about a problem we have had with our Frigidaire gallery oven. This is one of the very first ovens that has the air fryer built in. It's model number FGGH3047VFA. This had a strange problem where we had the oven on, and after that we turned the gas hobs on the top, and there's a thermostat inside which broke, and just basically bad design, and Frigidaire does not want to take any responsibility and repair it because it's just a few months out of warranty. So the problem is with one of these thermostats inside, and that is this item number, and we're just going to open that and change it right now. Because it's a gas oven, it works, the hobs on the top work, but the oven inside does not work. Even if I turn it on, it's not lighting inside, and the temperature will not go over 100. So in order for us to open it, we have to take these off by pulling them out simply. And once you pull them out, there are 4 screws on the top, 2 here and 2 here. The last one does not have a screw. And then there are a couple of screws underneath, that one and the other one. We're going to open them and take this front covering off. So now we have the front case open after unscrewing those 6 screws, and you basically just lift it up and pull it outside. And behind there, this is the control panel, which is connected with one wire. You simply need to just pull this yellow tab out to disconnect this. Now that we have the front panel disconnected, this is the clip that we disconnected. This is a little tab that you need to press and pull it out. And there is the thermostat over there in the back behind the covering. You just need to pull these plugs out, unscrew those 2 screws, one over there and one over there, and take that out. And make sure you disconnect the unit from the main power first. So this is the part that I disconnected. Here is the part number, and these are the 2 screws that I had to unscrew. It was a little bit of struggle because it's not easy to get in a screwdriver, so I had to use my fingers to unscrew these screws. Again, as I said, this is basically bad design, but because when you have the oven on and the hobs on, this thermostat picks up a lot of heat and it just dies. So I've got a new one here. Another tip, before I purchased the new one, I actually used this wire, small wire that I made at home, and connected on both sides of these clips, and used a direct connection to test if the oven turns on when I turn it on using the front controller, and it does, which basically tells me that this is the part that is faulty and needs changing. So we're all done here. It took me a little bit of time because I had to screw that screws back using the hand, and I put everything back on. And let's test that now. Let's do quick preheat. So here's the oven now perfectly working. I set it up for quick preheat, and you can see on the right side the element is turned on and the gas is firing up, and the oven is now back in operation. It is a quick fix. It's a shame that it's a bad design and Frigidaire does not want to help the customers fix it, we found our own fix. The part cost us about $33 from Amazon, and it took about 15-20 minutes. It took me a little bit more time because I had to screw the 2 screws with the hands. Hope this video is helpful. Have a good day.